here's the breakfast bar at Jomtien Plaza residence in Pattaya, Thailand. I'm not sure what sort this is, but it looks like they make fresh eggs to your order right here. Oh, they make sunny side up eggs right there at the cooking station. Then there's hot coffee here, some juice, looks like orange juice over here, and then toast, 2 different kinds of bread with a really hot toaster. And then way over here is some meats in the buffet dishes, some ham and some hot dogs. Here's some spaghetti with chicken and sauce. And then here's some stir-fried chicken with chili. Gotta be careful of that. And then fried egg with rice over here. And they got plenty of silverware and plates, and that's about it. You can buy beverages over here for reasonable prices. Looks like soda is 25 baht. They got condiments, and they also have a chicken and with melon soup. Not sure what kind of melon. Oh, they also have butter and jelly for your toast. That's a nice little addition. So we'll see you over there in the breakfast area as soon as we get our plate. Got a nice little assortment. Plenty of seating also over in the breakfast area. See you over there.